Good morning. Today we are going to see the practicals based on the titration. The aim of the practical is to determine the molarity and strength of the given KMnO4 solution. Just see, this is the KMnO4 solution. It has been provided by the teacher, of which you have to calculate the molarity and the strength by using M by 10 FAS ferrous ammonium sulfate solution or the more salt solution. For this, this is the ammonium ferrous sulfate salt, and this is the color, greenish color. Now, with the help of digital balance, you have to weigh FAS by using this formula. You have to prepare N by 10 FAS in 250 ml water. For that, this is the molecular mass of the ferrous ammonium sulfate, and N by 10 you have to prepare in 250 ml water. So by using this formula, you will get 9.8 gram of FAS, which is to be dissolved in 250 ml water. But before dissolving 9.8 gram FAS salt, you have to use concentrated sulfuric acid. Make a paste by dissolving in it, and then add 250 ml water in a standard flask, volumetric flask. I have prepared up to this level. This is the 250 ml prepared FAS solution. Now, once this solution is prepared, you have to calculate the molarity and strength of KMnO4 solution. KMnO4 we have to add in this, we have to take in this burette by using the funnel, make it, fill it up to the mark 0, and this is the 50 reading. So 0 to 50 ml of this burette. This is the general equation, the ionic equation which takes place. 2 molecules of KMnO4 potassium permanganate in the acidic medium, that is sulfuric acid, react with the double salt, the more salt, ferrous ammonium sulfate, ferrous sulfate, ammonium sulfate. It is a double salt. We get potassium sulfate, manganese sulfate, ferric sulfate, ammonium sulfate. Now what is happening? This ferrous salt is converted to ferric, and this is converted to manganese sulfate, that is the colorless. So here we get the color of potassium permanganate, that is purple, and here we get the colorless. Now this is the ionic equation. MnO4, permanganate ion in acidic medium H plus react with ferrous ion, Fe2 plus ion, that is converted to Fe3 plus ion. So this is the ionic equation. The calculation part and the observation part. By titration, we will see what are the values to be filled in here. Initial reading. Initial reading means reading of the burette. Here it is 0. So initial reading will be 0. And the final reading. What is the amount of KMnO4 used while titrating it against the solution, FAS solution. We will see by performing the experiment, and then the calculation part I will explain it. Just take 10 ml of you can see it is 10 ml FAS solution. I have taken this in the conical flask. Take it like this. Now this is 10 ml more salt solution. Then add half test tube of dilute sulfuric acid. Now this is dilute sulfuric acid. So we have to titrate this solution against KMnO4. Initial reading is 0. Let us see what happens. Observe the reaction. See the color change. See the color change. With continuous shaking it. The reaction is going on. End point will come when there is a permanent pink colors, change in the color. Change in color happens when the concentration of KMnO4 just increases. You can observe it. So this is end point, change in the color. Now note the reading, the amount of KMnO4 used. So it is written, this is a graduated one, you have started from 0 and it is 19.4, from 0 to 19.4. So we will write here 19.4. You have to repeat the same experiment, take the second reading, third reading, any two similar reading. Suppose the second reading from 0 and comes out to be 19.2, the third reading from 0 comes out to be 19.2. So we will have 19.2 as concordant value, 19.2. By taking this value, we have to calculate and find out the molarity by using the formula M1V1 for potassium permanganate and N2V2, that is molarity and the volume of FAS. Now, volume of FAS we have used by using the pipette, that is 10 ml. Molarity is given in the question, that is 1 by 10. We have to calculate the molarity of potassium permanganate. So 1 by 5 into N2V2 by V1. From where this value comes? 1 by 5. You see the equation here. This is 1 molecule and this is 5 molecules. So 1 by 5. Or you can say 2 molecule of KMnO4 and 10 molecule of ferrous ammonium sulfate. That is 1 by 5. So this value 1 by 5 number of moles. After calculating this value, we get M1, that is molarity of the KMnO4 in moles per liter. That means the answer will take M1. Now the second part is to calculate the strength. Strength is molarity into molecular mass. 158 is the molecular mass of the potassium permanganate. So the M1, the value whatever it comes here, that will be multiplied by 158 and the answer will be in grams per liter. So this is all about the titration. So you have to write the calculation and the result and any pre-precaution while performing this experiment. Thank you.